I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-matic TV. So this simple tutorial, we're going to talk about how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. So the formula for adding fractions with the same denominator is here. So a over c plus b over c is equal to a plus b over c. So if you're going to add fractions with the same denominator, just copy the denominator and add the numerator, which is a plus b over c. Next is the formula for subtracting fractions with the same denominator. So a over c minus b over c is equal to a minus b plus c. So the same in adding denominator, or I mean the same in adding fractions with the same denominator. So just copy the denominator and subtract the numerator. So now let's try some example and apply this formula. So for adding fractions, so let's try some problem. 1/2 plus 2, this is supposed to be 3/2. So following this formula, this will be equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then just copy the denominator, which is 2. And 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Let's proceed to the second example. So 1/3 plus 2/3 is equal to, so again just add the numerator, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then copy the denominator, which is 3. So now 3 over 3 is equal to 1. So for the third example, seven five plus 2/5 or 2 over 5. So again just copy the denominator, which is 5, and add the numerator. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So this is improper fractions, or the result is improper fractions. You can convert this into mixed fractions. So this is the same in 1 and 4, 5. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So this is still correct. Now let's proceed in subtracting fractions. So if we're going to subtract fractions with the same denominator, just follow this formula, which is a over c minus b over c is equal to a minus b over c. So if we're going to subtract 2/3 minus 1/3, this is equal to 3 and 2 minus 1. So what I did is just copy the denominator, then subtract the numerator. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1/3. So 2/3 minus 1/3 is equal to 1/3. Let's proceed to the second example. So if we're going to subtract 2 over 7 minus 5 over 7. So this is equal to 2 minus 5, which is negative 3 over 7. So this is the answer. Let's proceed to the third example. If we're going to subtract 1/2 minus 5/2, so this is equal to 1 minus 5 is negative 4, and copy the denominator, which is 2, and negative 4 divided by 2 is equal to negative 2. So hence 1/2 minus 5/2 is equal to negative 2. Alright, that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.